Your home will smell good for 3 days and 3 nights with this tip. To start today's tip, we will use 3 oranges. The ideal is with a knife to cut an orange, just avoiding cutting completely. Next, we will put the oranges individually in small containers. I will make each orange with a different aroma to put in different environments of my home. Let's start by adding a small amount of coarse salt, repeating the amount in all oranges, being the ideal item to keep all other active ingredients longer. Then we will also use 3 tablespoons of vinegar, repeating the amount in all containers. Any visit I receive at home asks me about the smell that is in all environments. Soon after, I will add fabric softener. 25 milliliters is enough for this tip. This tip will surely surprise everyone who visits your home. With this, one of the tips will be ready. Now just repeat the amount of coarse salt and vinegar in the other oranges. Ideally, each orange should be prepared in a different way for different rooms in your home with a low cost, and you probably already have all the ingredients in your home. It will be the best tip you can make. In the second orange, I will put clove instead of softener. In addition, to directly assist in the aroma of the environment, also acts as insect repellent. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Gabriella Weber from Omaha. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. In the third orange, I will put only coarse salt and vinegar. Is already ideal to leave in areas such as kitchen and laundry. Orange with softener acts perfectly for use in your room or bathroom. Will always have the smell of sheets and also clean clothes. I hope you get the same smell I have in my house after I started using this mixture. Remembering that the use of each of these mixtures is up to a week. Within that time, the smell will be used to the maximum. You will not regret doing. I hope you liked our tip today. Have the house smell as good as I have in mine? Then tell me, what was your experience with this tip? I appreciate you watching this tip so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.